Hello, this is a training video on accessories in WDQ. Here we have a line item with two casement windows. At the very bottom of every configuration page is accessory. Accessory is a miscellaneous add-on item that is frequently used. So we're not going to use a manual line item for this uh, because we want to tie it into our bill of materials and also have it show up in our production report and production labels. So we'll go ahead and add an accessory to these casement windows. So a common accessory for a casement would maybe be like a window opening control device or a motorized operator. So in this we have unit 1 and unit 2. So right here we will select which unit we want to assign the accessory to. We'll say unit 1. And we'll add a WOCD right there. If we want to add a WOCD to number 2, you would click this add button right here. Let's click unit 2, and we will add a WOCD right there. So in our production report, it'll show under unit 1, add a WOCD, on unit 2, add a WOCD. If we just wanted it under unit 2, we would have just selected 2 right there and not done 1. When you print a proposal, it will show up also on the proposal. So accessory right here, WOCD, WOCD. We'll go ahead and sign out and I'll show you where to set up accessories. Go to Setup, Products, Options, Accessories. Right here we have the WOCD that we worked on. We'll just go ahead and open that up. You'll simply type in the name right here, and then you could put in an abbreviation. Abbreviations can be up to 15 characters long. Those are often used, but not always used on production labels and reports. Right over here on the right-hand side, you'll have a list of all the units in the system. So you can checkbox which units have this accessory available to them. So if there was a picture window, the WOCD accessory would not have displayed in the pull-down menu on the dealer side. So this is what we're charging per WOCD accessory right there per unit. So you'll input in the price and checkbox to make it available. Last thing I will show you here is accessory adjustment price. This is part of our new manual line item programming for orders. So when you have common items that may need to be added to an order after it's been converted to an order, this is typical for companies that do the installation. Maybe you have an accessory called window air conditioner removal. So it's not something that gets installed on the window per se, but it's a reoccurring item that you want to retroactively add to an order so you have the revenue and costs associated with it. So to do so, let's go ahead and open up an order. And you will click Menu, Order Action, Adjustment, New Accessory Item. So here we have Manual Line Item. Manual line item is something where you're typing in the description and the price. The accessory is auto-populating the description and the price. So really all it's doing is just giving you a pre-populated list instead of a text box that you're typing in right there. WOCD, price is $125. That was the price that was on the previous web page. If you want, you can manually override it though. You can put in whatever price you want. Click Save. And then it appears right here as an accessory. So that is how accessories are used and set up in the system. Once again, they also show up on the production labels and production reports so that the people working on the shop floor know when to install an accessory. Or if you're using it for installation purposes, it shows up on the labels and it'll tell the installer, remove the window air conditioner or replace the header because it's rotten. So if there are any questions about accessories, feel free to give us a call or email.